Did you know you can make money online just by playing games? Yes, making money online is more fun now than it has ever been.
If you like playing games online and have won games online before, you should think about playing games and getting paid to do what you enjoy. You don't have to buy a PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or any other gaming console on the market to get paid. You just need a computer, internet access, and some gaming experience.
Today we are going to discuss the best 15 ways to make money online by playing games.
But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
15. Missed play. Missed play gives you a lot of chances to make money by playing games on your phone. It has a lot of games, and the more you play, the more money you make.
Since the rewards aren't very big, it will take some time to get them.
But if you are already going to play, why not get paid for it? Missed play doesn't make it clear which countries it can be used in. But it's definitely available in the places above.
But the only way to know for sure if it's available in your country or not is to check where you get apps.
14. Playtest Cloud. Playtest Cloud is a bit different from most of the other options on this list.
You can sign up for this platform to test games before they come out and earn money by giving feedback about them. It can be fun, and you usually get $9 for a 15-minute test. But it doesn't have a lot of tests, and you have to take a test for free to become a member. So, earning can take a bit more time. But if you live in the US, UK, or Canada, testing new games can be a fun way to make a little extra money every now and then.
13. Grab points.
Joining Grab Points is another great way to earn rewards if you want to do more than just play online games. You can make money on the site by taking surveys, watching videos, taking online offers, and even getting other people to join. It only takes $5 to cash out, and you can choose between PayPal and Skrill to get your money. You can also use gift cards, but they don't have a very big selection.
Best of all, the site can be used anywhere in the world.
This site is a good choice because it has a good chance of making you money, and you will be able to make money regularly because there are so many ways to get paid.
12. Ebuno. Ebuno is mostly used for surveys.
So, it's not exactly the same as the other platforms on this list.
Most of your rewards will come from filling out surveys. But you can also make money by playing games. It has a section where you can play games right in your browser. It also has a mobile app you can download so you can work even when you're not in front of a computer. It has a fairly low minimum of $10 and a number of ways to pay, including PayPal.
It has a good number of surveys with good rewards, and it can be used in a lot of different countries. Overall, it has a good chance of making money and offers easy ways to get paid, which is why it is on this list.
11. Freecash.com.
Get paid to sites like Freecash have a lot of surveys you can take to make money. But it also has a lot of offer walls where you can get paid to download games. Also, if you like to play CS:GO, it's a very interesting website to join because you can choose from a lot of skins as a reward. You can also choose to get paid in gift cards, cryptocurrencies, or cash through PayPal. If you join through the link below, you'll get 100 points added to your account right away as a welcome bonus.
10. GSN Cash Games.
This site for online games has word games, arcade games, card games, strategy games, puzzles, and other types of fun games that online gamers like. You can try out a game first before entering a competition, which is a good thing. This lets you learn the rules and get a feel for the game before you try to play with other people. Also, you are matched with people who have skills similar to yours. This makes it more likely for you to win the games. 9. Clip-to-Play. Many tournaments happen every day on this site. Flash games are played most of the time. Players compete against each other, and at the end of the day, the winners are shown. There is also a referral program where you get 10 points for every person you send to the site. You can turn your points into cash. 8. Second Life. People think that Second Life is one of the most popular gaming sites on the internet right now. This site encourages people to buy and sell virtual real estate, make and sell their own content, sell gadgets, clothes, and put on rock concerts, events, and game shows. You can also make money by sitting on a chair in front of a store. The idea is to get more people to come to the store. 7. Paid Game Player. Paid Game Player gives people who like to play games online a way to make money while they play their favorite games online. When you sign up for a free Paid Game Player account, you can play over 600 different games on their website. To sign up and start making money, you must be at least 18 years old. There's a virtual casino, puzzle games, arcade games, and a lot more.
6. Gamesville. Gamesville was the first and is still the most popular free website for playing games online. You can earn GV points by playing games and winning, getting the top numbers, and playing slots.
Gamesville also has competitions for people who don't want GV rewards but just want to win cash.
5. Pogo.
For people who have never used Pogo before, it might not seem like a gaming site because you have to watch ads for the first 5 days in order to get tokens. You can use these tokens to play different kinds of fun and interesting games and win money from them.
There is also a daily drawing with a $10,000 prize for the lucky winner. The more you play, the more likely it is that you'll win the money. 4. Bingo Mania. Do you love bingo? If you do, you might be able to make money by playing bingo online.
Bingo Mania has different bingo games every day that cost $1, and the prize money keeps going up until a winner is chosen.
All of the games you can play here are bingo games. Click here to start. 3. Point Club.
Point Club is a popular survey site that pays you to do things like take surveys, play online games, and more.
Users must be at least 13 years old and have a working email address in order to join.
Members get $5 just for becoming a member.
2. Inboxdollars.com.
With Inbox Dollars, you can play online games and earn money at the same time.
Signing up for Inbox Dollars is free, and you can start playing games right away. You can choose from a number of games to play on the website.
You can start out making $10 a day and even make more as you go along.
1. Swagbucks.
Swagbucks pays people to do things like play games and do other tasks. On the site, you can watch videos, shop, search for products, watch videos, and play games, among other things. Start by taking part in the daily featured promotions for different games and earning some Swagbucks.
Once you have more experience, you can start making more money.
So, these are the best 15 ways to earn money by playing games. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.